Radio CAYB, 28 of Radio CAYB.
We hope you enjoyed last week's show, is where we interviewed Leo, and yes, so we've got most of our usual features this week, such as a mystery song, where we play out 5 different songs and you have to guess which songs they are. We've got history with Ushan, where he's going to talk about a surprise this week. And also we got Max, Peter, me and Dylan with your news updates. And also we got Corey as well on the piano. And our special guest this week is Neil, who teaches drums here in CAYB.
Rock, paper, scissors, I play against the mirror. There hasn't been a winner for 9 days straight. I went to see the doctor, she cut open my head. Took a look inside and this is what she said. Boy, you're not alone, although you feel alone. You're just like everyone, you're holding on. I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. So watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. Watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. She said you don't need money to build a swimming pool. I'm running on my taps, gonna flood the bathroom. All my friends are queuing up, they wanna dive in. They wanna figure out if they will sink or swim. You're not alone, although you feel alone. You're just like everyone, you're holding on. And I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. So watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. Watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. I wanna fake a smile, I wanna dance till my shoes fall apart and the moon falls out of the sky. It's just a little dream of mine. I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. I'm the gold rush kid, robbing the bank, making a run for it and learning to dance. Yeah, watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. Watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. Watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing. Watching me now, 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 I see you watching me now, I'm dancing.
Rough Kid by George Ezra.
Okay, so now we've got the mystery song here on Radio CAYB, and this is a feature where we play out 5 different songs, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
It feels like years since it's been here.
Song number 2 for this week.
Your yard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember.
Song number 3 for this week.
Number 4, 3.
I'm not
Number 5. This week.
on the corner of the street.
Next on is The Chain by Feature Max.
This is the history. This is the history. You enjoyed last week's history from me? This week is going to be all about Titanic. It's going to be about Titanic, the boat, the museum in Belfast, also about the ship that sunk, Titanic, as well. So we got all three in one topic. So I hope you're going to be enjoying this. So let's start. The RMS Titanic, a British luxury passenger liner, as you all know probably, is in fame out for its catastrophic sinking during its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City on April 14, 1912. Hold on. From Southampton? Wait a minute, it's not Belfast. It's not Belfast. Is it from Belfast supposed to be? Titanic?
It's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be, yeah. Who knows? After sinking an iceberg, the ship sank, resulting in the loss of over 1,500 lives. The Titanic was the largest ship of its time and is still remembered as a symbol of both engineering marvel and tragic loss. They designed the Titanic was on the Olympic-class ocean liners built by the White Star Line. It was the largest ship of its time, boasting incredible luxury and modern imitation. Very good. So if you see the museum in Belfast, it's kind of the same as the boat, but not really. The Titanic began its maiden voyage on April 10th, 1912, carrying over 2,200 passengers and crew. They sinking on April 14, 1912. The Titanic struck on iceberg and sank, killing over 1,500 people. But surviving the disaster, a limited number of lifeboats meant that not all passengers and crew could be saved. Survivors were rescued by the Cunard liner Carpathia. Discovery of the wreck. The wreckage of the Titanic was discovered in 1985 by a French and American team located on the ocean floor. Legacy and remembrance. The Titanic sinking remains one of the most famous maritime tragedies in history, inspiring numerous stories, films and memorials, according to Britannica, apparently. So, what is the true history about Titanic? I know it's just a boat, but it's got history. RMS Titanic was a British ocean liner that sank in the earlier hours of 15th April 1912, like I said, as a result of sinking an iceberg on her maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York, United States. It was the second time White Star Line had lost a ship on her maiden voyage, the first being RMS Taylor in 1854. Sad news. Several notable figures perished in Titanic disaster. Among the most prominent were millionaire John Jacob Astor III, the wealthiest passenger aboard, businessman and Macy's owner in said sorrows, and his wife Ida, an architect firm, and the ship designed. Other notable figures who died including Benjamin Guggenheim, Archibald President Taft Aid, and Captain Edward Smith, which is who's driving the Titanic. How clumsy can he be, not being passing the Titanic iceberg? Yes, boys?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's Kieran.
Yes, I agree, boys. Apparently this is just a rumours. Is apparently that John Jacob Astor III, apparently, son is still alive. There's rumours saying that, but I don't know if that's believing that or what, but apparently his son is still alive. Apparently. Prominent member of the Astor family and the wealthiest business Astor was known for his real estate ventures and his involvement in the development of a Waldorf Astoria hotel. Instead on industrial, the stores were owners of Macy's department stores and were well known for their philanthropy. For Mr. Andrews, as the chief designer of Titanic, Andrews was a respected figure in the shipbuilding industry. Benjamin Guggenheim, an American businessman and heir to the Guggenheim fortune, Guggenheim was known for his lavish lifestyle, achievable in military aids to U.S. presidents Theodore Roosevelt, a William Howard Taft apparently, but was returning to the United States about the Titanic. But he died, so how can he do that? Who knows? The captain of the Titanic Smith was an experienced seaman with the White Star Line who had a long and distinguished career. All I say that, shall we? Did the Titanic leave from Ireland? On the 11th of April 1912 at 11:30 a.m, RMS Titanic dropped anchor in Queenstown, Ireland at Rose Point, Butter anchored. Today, named Cobham, the port was the luxury liner's final port of call on its maiden journey before setting sail on the longest leg of a voyage to New York, US. Hold on! Ireland, but apparently Southport. Okay, I'm confused. So which one's true? I'm probably going to think it's Ireland, but Southampton's probably rumours now, isn't it? So, why did it take 73 years to find the Titanic? Well, I say the wreck of the Titanic took 73 years to be found due to a combination of factors, including technology, limitation, the vast size of the search area, and the depth at which the ship rested. Deep sea exploration technology was not advanced enough in the earlier 20th century to effectively search the North Atlantic. The wreck also lay at a considerable depth, making it difficult to reach and explore. You're probably wondering, where is the Titanic ship now? Well, the wreck of the Titanic is located on the floor of North Atlantic Ocean, approximately 325 nautical miles, 600 kilometers south Southampton of Newfoundland, Canada. It lies at a depth of about 12,500 feet to 380 meters. The wreckage is split into two main pieces, the bow and stern, which add about 2,000 feet, 600 meters apart. If you don't know that, because I don't know that myself. Titanic sank in approximately 2 hours and 14 minutes from the time of an iceberg collision to the ship's final plunge into the ocean. The ship struck the iceberg around 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, and by the 2:20 a.m. on April 15, it was completely submerged. Poor thing. There were around 105 survivors in total, and all were transported safely to New York, US. 16, but tragically more than 1,500 people lost their lives on the Titanic, most never to be seen again. In the days following the wreckage, ships headed out to the disaster and recovered 300 bodies from the water. Poor them, yes, poor them. That's all I got for history for this week, and I'll see you next week. The next one is My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. Hope you're enjoying this Titanic song. So yeah, goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week.
Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does. Go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true time. I hold you in my life, will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and
Yeah, so you just heard there, My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion on Radio CAYB. And just to let you know, Ethan's not here with us this week with Garage because he's off to Blackpool on his holidays. We hope he'll be back soon, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
And to fill the gap, we are going to play over the next song now, is When the Going Gets Tough by Billy Ocean. We hope you enjoy this one.
Nothing standing up.
by Bruno Mars and Rose.
Okay, take it away, Corey.
Guess the year.
Developer Woodland. So thank you, Corey, for playing us this week's song on the piano. Now we got our music news quiz. So first of all, country singer Hank Williams Jr. releases his 32nd album, Rowdy. It's certified by gold by the RIAA.
Ever met lead singer Steven Tyler is injured in a motorcycle crash.
That leaves him hospitalised for 2 months. Now that is so sad, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Our respects goes to Stephen, and we hope he gets better soon, yeah, Don?
Yeah.
And also, Ultravox reached number 2 in the UK singles chart this week with Vienna, but despite the huge radio play and massive sales, it's subsequently held off the top position for 2 consecutive weeks by Jill Gulsey's song Shut Up Your Face.
You heard that Bob Marley, the reggae star, has sadly passed away at age 36. It's on the reach number 1 of this year.
So Bob Marley's songs, Three Little Birds, Jamming, and even more of his songs went into number 1 of this year. Okay, so we hope you got all our music news correct. And our next song we're going to play here now for you is Road to Nowhere by Talking Heads. We hope you enjoy this one, there, Don.
Yeah.
We're on a road to power.
talking heads.
Thank you, Dylan. Now we are moving on to our news around the school for this week. First of all, we got Callum Henderson in Canolfan. He has been on his holidays to Tunisia. We hope he's had a good time, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
And we wish him luck coming back, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah. Iran's been taking part all about Jad in Pontiac.
Okay, so we would like to say huge congratulations to Aaron in Canolfan. He has been taking part in a All About Jazz competition in Pontiac. We wish him good luck, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
And also, we are moving on to Cape Town now, as they have been to a cricket festival in ARS Park in Colwyn Bay. We hope it all went well for you guys, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah. Oh, we've been heard. Levi been to Haven.
Yes, so we've heard in the latest news that Levi in Cape Sky, he has came back from Haven. We hope he had a great time in Haven, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
And also, just to let you guys know that there is tag rugby going on in the CAYB with Jason, yeah, Dylan? Yeah. With Jay. And it's on between 3:15 and 4:15. If you guys want to join, it's completely free, isn't it, Dylan?
Yeah.
And your parents have to be there along with you.
Next song is Hard Day Night by the Beatles.
We hope you enjoy this next song here on Radio CAYB.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I work all day to get your money to buy a thing, and it's worth it just to hear you say you're gonna give me everything. So why on earth should I moan? 'Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. So why on earth should I moan? 'Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I feel alright. You know I feel alright.
Or Hard Day Night by the Beatles.
Okay, so thank you, Dylan, for that. And now we got our mystery song answers and the music news answers. Okay, so our 60 song was gone.
If I'm the Sun by the Beatles.
And our 70 song gone.
Hotel California by the Eagles.
And our 80 song was Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi, if you got that right.
90 song, Dion.
Our 90 song gone was Losing My Religion by R.E.M. And our naughty song was gone.
Man Can't You Move by the Brit.
Okay, so put a tick on your papers if you got all them songs correctly. And unfortunately, there's no leaderboard this week because Oshan's away for a couple of days. So, Instead of the leaderboard, we are going to play you now a bit of Madness with Baggy Trousers here on Radio CAYB.
Hope you enjoyed the song.
I'm sure we will. What we're doing?
Yeah.
Naughty boys in nasty schools, headmasters breaking all the rules, having fun and playing fools, smashing up the woodwork tools. All the teachers in the pub, passing round the ready rub, trying not to think of when the lunchtime bell will ring again. Oh, what fun we had, but did it really turn out bad? All I learnt at school was how to bend, not break the rule. Oh, what fun we had, but at the time it seemed so bad, trying different ways to make a difference to the headmasters had enough today. All the kids have gone away, gone to fight with next door school. Every term that is the rule. Sits alone and bends his cane. Same old backsides again. All the small ones tell two tales, walking home and squashing snails. Oh, what fun we had, but did it really turn out bad? All I learnt at school was how to bend, not break the rule. Oh, what fun we had, but at the time it seemed so bad, trying different ways to make a difference through the days. Lots of boys, lots of smells and lots of noise, playing football in the park, kicking push bikes after dark, baggy trousers, dirty shirt, pulling hair and eating dirt. Teacher comes to break it up, back of the end with a plastic cup. Oh, what fun we had, but did it really turn out bad? All I learnt at school was how to bend, not break the rule. Oh, what fun we had, but at that time it seemed so bad, trying different ways to make a difference through the days.
You enjoyed the last song, was He Shrouded by Madness.
Okay, thank you, Don. Now we are moving on to our weekly news update for this week. And this is our News Around the World feature. Sorry Ethan's not here this week because he's off to Blackpool, isn't he, Don?
Yeah.
And me and Don will be taking over for him today. Okay, so our first update we got today is that the Papal for conclave to elect the next Pope begins. The secret meeting to elect the leader of the world's Catholics is set to begin, bringing with it the intrigue of an ancient system of anonymous voting in Vatican City.
The age for a train driver be lower to 18.
For aimed sources, 18-year-olds will be allowed to drive trains aimed concerns over driver shortages. The minimum age to take on role in Britain is to be lowered from 20, the Department for Transport has announced. Rail services are frequently disrupted because several operators rely on drivers, voluntary work, extra shifts to run timetabled services.
Local news now.
Okay, so in local news now, Dawn, the new share of Canolfan has been collected.
Johan Kerdis Thomas have been elected for the new chair of Wythnos Council.
So the long-serving Plaid Cymru councillor for the Menai ward of Canolfan was elected at the County Council's annual meeting last week. Claire Thomas has also served on a number of committees, including the local authorities cabinet as well.
That was a news update. Oh, Matt and Peter with the board news.
This was the crocodile. So, this is the we talk this week start and next race and Ferrari racetrack. And currently getting the Bullhab, which is ranking. That's it. So got the Bergen. No, not Bergen. Sorry. Barbos, which is that's the good. Attacking to the afternoon in the currently in the end of currently new player. And here's your mystery phrase. So, here's your crew. Go work through in England football. So, the first bracket O, and the second word is the first bracket is P. In the classical game, warriors are within Dyma rules. So here's yours is olive flies. So olive flies. So he what does player? So yes. What things in the sentences for making in the calling hard of them that make it. I don't know. So that's it to start you. So to say goodbye to me here is say goodbye to Crocodile Bass.
So thank you, Peter, for sports news this week. And our next song here now is Return to Sender by Elvis Presley. And then we'll move on to our interview for this week.
Return to sender. Return to sender. I gave a letter to the postman. He put it in his sack. Bright and early next morning, he brought my letter back. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone. We had a quarrel, a lover's spat. I'm sorry, but my letter keeps coming back. So then I dropped it in the mailbox and sent a special deed. Bright and early next morning, it came right back to me. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown, no such person, no such zone. This time I'm gonna take it myself and put it right in her hand. And if it comes back the very next day, then I'll understand. Writing on it, return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone. Return to sender, return to sender, return to sender.
Okay, so that was Return to Sender by Elvis Presley here on Radio CAYB. And now we are moving on to our interview for this week. This week it's Neil from who does teaches drums, doesn't he, Colin?
Yeah.
And just to let you know that this interview has been recorded. So we'll play the interview here now on Radio CAYB. We hope you enjoy.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
So here on Radio CAYB, we've got a very special interview this week. This week I'm interviewing Neil, who teaches drums. Hello Neil, how are you today?
Hello, gentlemen, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
So our first question here we've got for you is, how long have you been drumming?
About 3.5 miles. Oh, no, you mean how long in time? Where are we now? Since May 1985.
Goodness me.
That's a long time ago, isn't it?
Yeah. None of the jobs have you done?
What other jobs have I done? Right then, I've been an ice cream man. I've been a plasterer. I've been a taxi driver. I've been a van driver delivering bread. I've been a singer. I've been an actor. I've been a bass guitar player. I've been a drummer. I've been a cleaner. I've been a gardener.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Hold on, really?
All those things I have done. I have been. I am a dad, which is hard work. Yeah. So that's just some of the other things I've done in my lifetime.
Okay. Nes di mwynhau actio cymhariad milkshake yn Cyrhael.
Cymeriad milkshake yn Cywhael. Do, nes i fwynhau yn fawr iawn. Hwnnw oedd job actio iawn cyntaf fi. A ges i dyfu locsyn mawr efo lamb chop sideboards a gwisgo sunglasses.
Yes, we saw the picture from Mr. Edwards.
O'n i'n cool.
Yeah.
Didn't we?
Yeah, we saw the picture of Mr. Edwards' system, didn't he?
Da chi'n gwybod beth enw iawn milkshake?
No.
Oswald Milkshake Davies. Dyna beth enw iawn o. A fo oedd ffrind gora bleddyn.
Yeah.
A stori amdan bleddyn oedd Cywhael, de.
A mae Mr. Edwards yn dweud mae eisiau DVD gos.
Oes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Da iawn.
Doesn't he, mate?
Yeah.
Yes.
Our fourth question here for you is, who is your favourite band?
My favourite band is Rush.
That's a good...
A three-piece progressive rock trio from Canada.
Oh, from Canada. That sounds good, doesn't it, Dylan and also?
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Doesn't it, Kieran?
The instrument you play?
I play the bass guitar,
Yeah.
the normal guitar, the ukulele,
Yes.
Yeah?
drums,
Yes.
tuba,
Yes?
and I also, on bad days, I also sing.
Goodness me.
Which songs can you sing?
Which songs can I sing?
Yeah.
What, you want me to remember all of them? O'n i'n dau dros y mynydd I hel ac nai, dŵr yn yr afon a cherig yn slic. Cwymp o'n i'n dau. O, dyna chi dric. That's just one of about 6,000 songs that I know.
Wow.
Do you play in a band?
Yes, I do play in a band. I play in 2 different bands, well, 3 different bands, and I also play on my own.
Nice. Yeah.
In the bath. And in the kitchen, sometimes. And when I take the dog for a walk.
What's in it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And sometimes I have headphones on and I sing loud at night and I scare people who are on the path because they can't hear the music I'm singing with. They can just hear my horrible loud voice in the middle of the darkness. But I haven't been arrested yet.
Sorry, yeah. How old were you when you first got a drum kit?
I got my first drum kit when I was about 20. But before then, I used to bash on biscuit tins and dustbins and my little brother.
Seriously? Hold on. Look at him.
Who would be your favourite drummer?
My favourite drummer is called Neil Peart.
What? You?
No, Neil Peart. He played drums with Rush.
Nice, yeah?
That's good.
Your favourite childhood memory?
My favourite childhood memory, well, that would have to be the day I escaped from Chester Zoo.
How did you manage to escape from there?
I chewed through the bars.
And why are you escaping from there?
Pardon?
And why are you escaping from
Because
there?
I wanted to live like a human being.
Never heard that.
Do you want to end the show with, Neil?
I would like to end the show with a song called There's a Hole in My Bucket.
And who is the artist by?
Guess it.
I can't remember. It's an American comedian.
Oh,
And his partner.
hard artist, eh?
Yeah. Okay, so we are going to end off with an unknown artist, and the song's called There's a Hole in My Bucket. We will see you for week 29 of Radio CAYB. Take care for now.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And we'll see you guys next week. Okay, so we all hope you enjoyed Neil's interview there, yeah, Dyma?
Yeah.
So we are going to finish off today's show with There's a Hole in My Bucket by Harry Belafonte. We will see you for week 29 of Radio CAYB. And it's goodbye from me, Gallant.
Bye.
And it's goodbye from me, Gil. So we'll see you next week. Take care for now.
Henry? Oh, Henry?
Yes, Liza?
Did you fetch the water?
Go fetch the water. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, a hole.
Well, fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Oh, fix it, dear Henry, fix it.
With what shall I fix it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I fix it, dear Liza? With what?
With a straw, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a straw, dear Henry, with a straw.
But the straw is too long, dear Liza, dear Liza. The straw is too long, dear Liza, too long.
Cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Oh, cut it, dear Henry, cut it.
With what shall I cut it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I cut it, dear Liza? With what?
With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With an axe, dear Henry, with an axe.
The axe is too dull, dear Liza, dear Liza. The axe is too dull, dear Liza, too dull.
Sharpen it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Well, sharpen it, dear Henry, hone it.
On what shall I sharpen it, dear Liza, dear Liza? On what shall I hone it, dear Liza? On what?
On a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. On a stone, dear Henry, on a stone.
But the stone is too dry, dear Liza, dear Liza. The stone is too dry, dear Liza, too dry.
Well, wet it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Well, wet it, dear Henry, wet it.
With what shall I wet it, dear Liza, dear Liza? With what shall I wet it, dear Liza? With what?
Try water, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Try water, dear Henry, dear Henry. Use water.
In what shall I fetch it, dear Liza, dear Liza? In what shall I fetch it, dear Liza? In what?
In a bucket, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. In a bucket, dear Henry, dear Henry, in a bucket.
There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Liza, a hole.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye. Radio CAYB.